see you again.
I am your MIL teacher. My name is Lisa Carison Apolinario. And MIL means media and information literacy. Okay, class. Define what MIL is. Ara, do you have an idea of what MIL means? I don't know MIL. Why? Okay, sit down. Junel, what are the possible topics of MIL?
I don't have an idea about
Okay, sit down. Okay, that's your assignment for today. What is MIL means? Goodbye.
Bye.
Media and information literacy is a set of skills and competencies that allow individuals with media and others information as well as develop critical thinking and lifelong learning skill to socialize and become active citizens. An advanced search often make it easy to pinpoint word and many different
Media information literacy refers to the ability to critically evaluate and effectively use information from various media sources.
What's MIL? MIL, this refers to ability and critically access, evaluate, and create media works, being able to analyze and interpret different types of information, and creating effective content.
Media and information literacy encompasses the skills and knowledge needed to effectively navigate and interact with media information in all its forms. It involves understanding how media and information are produced, disseminated, and consumed, as well as how to critically evaluate their credibility and potential impact. Ultimately, MIL empowers individuals to be informed, engaged, and responsible participants in society.
Good morning, ma'am. It's nice to see you again. Okay, sit down. I remember, I think we have an assignment.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pass all your assignment on the table. Thank you. What is this, Alvarez? Come here. Be kind to others. Be mindful of your online presence. Be honest.
Be careful what you say in social media.
Be polite and friendly.
Be one of us.